A human spends 1/3 of his life in sleeping. Yes, that's true. So why not make it a quality time? Whenever a person is sleeping, it's the best time for generation of cells and wealth and health, because everything is derived from a sound sleep. But what about if you are sleep deprived? You become unhealthy, understanding is lost, your analyzing power is lost, you are nothing to do much in the daytime, you are sleepy and you are wasting your time. Now, regarding this sleep chapter through Vastu, I will answer 3 questions and you will come to know. Can you sleep in any direction? Number 1. Can you sleep anywhere in a home? Number 2. How an ideal sleeping room or a bedroom should be? Number 3. So I'm going to answer number 1. Can you sleep in any direction? The answer is strictly no. If you do head north, head towards the north is worst. It increases sickness and sleep deprivation. Additionally, one gets lots of troubles in life. Remember, only a dead body's head is kept in north according to the Sanatana Dharma. Now I'll tell you head in the south. Now I'll tell you head in the south. Head towards the south is a good sleeping direction. It increases wealth, happiness and prosperity. It gives longevity also. Now I'll tell you head in the east. Head towards the east gives intellect, wisdom, increases memory, increases concentration. It's good for students, teachers, marketing people, customer care people, leaders, for everyone who is into education and studies and talking to people and doing some wise work. East is a good direction to point the head. Now I'll tell you the head in the west. The head towards the west is a normal direction, and I believe there is no side effects of the sleeping towards the head. Now I'll tell you the head towards the west. The head towards the west is a normal direction and no side effects of the sleeping towards the west direction. After the directions where the head to point, I am telling you the answer to question number 2. Can you sleep anywhere in the home? Yes, all the directions are not good to sleep. Sleeping in south, southwest, west and northwest is only advisable. The head of the family can occupy southwest, the son and the brothers can occupy south and the west directions. Girls and the guests can occupy northwest room. The north, northeast, east, southeast are not good directions for the bedrooms. Yes, mind it. North and northeast are very bad for health and overall things in the life to achieve. If you have a north, northeast, east bedroom, it's a troublesome life. Beware not to sleep in these direction bedrooms. Yes. Answer number 3. How an ideal sleeping room or a bedroom should be. The ideal bedroom has to be cozy, of course, peaceful, sober, dark shades, broken things, too many showpieces, good images are required, but the God images shouldn't be there. Pickles, knives, scissors shouldn't be in the bedroom. One thing is required the most is ventilation. Ventilation is must even if you have an air conditioned room, because sometime in the day you must open the window. Even it comes in the south, never mind, but you must have a ventilation. I want to tell you is we should not put the feet towards the door and the head also towards the door. It's leading to diseases and troubles. So I hope you had understood how to get a good sleep with the Vastu. Stay connected with Live Vastu. Om Namah Shivaya.
Subscribe now for interesting and knowledgeable videos by Dr. Puneet Chawla.